Welcome to my channel. How to reset a Keenetic router. 1. Access the web interface. Open a web browser on a device connected to your Keenetic router. Enter the router's IP address in the address bar. The default IP address is often 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. If you're unsure, check the router's manual or documentation. 2. Log in. You will be prompted to enter a username and password. By default, these are often admin for both username and password. 3. Navigate to reboot. Once logged in, look for an option to reboot the router. This is typically found under System Settings or Administration. 4. Wait. Allow the router a few minutes to restart. You may lose connectivity temporarily during this process. 5. Reset button. The device has the reset button on it. You can find it on the same side of the Keenetic where the rest of the ports are placed. The button's location depends on the model. It is important to pay attention to the status LED, leftmost, during the reset process, which shows the device state. Note, on Keenetic Buddy Series Wi-Fi range extenders, you can reset the settings using the Wi-Fi control button. Press and hold the button for 10 seconds. The unit will then automatically reboot, and the administrator's password and user settings will be deleted. Thank you for watching.